So you may be wondering, what am I up to today? So today is to swap out that tank because it does not have an intake fuel pump in it, and I've got one down here that will have. So that one's going in, that guy's coming out. All right, so let's get to it and I'll show you what I've been doing. Basically, it just pops off of that little stem right there. That's just a little plug. And this one, I don't know what that is. Is that like a rusted spade connector or something? Well, I think I'll knock that ring off and we'll find out. And this little tab we were talking about is actually grounded right there. Okay, so we're going to take that off. This is basically everything here. Locking ring. May or may not need that wire, don't really know, because that is a soldered on connection right there. But everything still works in this thing, so I'm pretty impressed with it. For a 45-year-old sending unit, that's not bad. Sock doesn't look so good. In fact, it looks like it's split. Yeah, split open right there. Yeah, so that's a little wore out. Nice. Stick my finger right inside there. So that was doing absolutely nothing. Okay, so we have filler neck connector, a vent which I'm supposed to attach somewhere, so that's what that is. Instructions, screws and seal for the fuel pump and sending unit, and looks like a little Y adapter. Sending unit, filler neck, imagine that connects on there. Okay, and our fuel pump. Return supply RSV for vent, and then your connections for the fuel pump go in there. This little wrapper wraps the fuel pump against these lines and holds it still. So we'll see how that works out. And a couple of wire ties and instructions for setting up the depth of the pump in your tank. That is it. That's everything. And then we have this guy here. Sending unit. supply return fuel pump. So I figured while I've got all of this space in here, I can finally get these tabs here welded up. So that's the plan. Well, good morning, gang. So today is a fresh new day and it is a really nice day outside. Take a look at that. And nice cool breeze coming through the shop. So good time to finish up this tank here. So I've got the sending unit in, and you've got the supply return assembly here. Fuel pump is on there. And all I have to do now is put a couple of fittings in here, and this is what I got. But if you guys are using this type right here, what I bought is that. And it seems to work pretty well. So I think I'm gonna plug this one off right here because I've got this one. I don't know why with this tank they supplied two, because I've got supply and return right here. And I don't understand why I would need anything more than that. And since this one is higher, I'm going to use that one. All right, so let me get to work. All right, so here's what I got here, guys. Got my vent hose in here, and I still have to plug this one off. They had said, you know, put some kind of a Y fitting in here, but I really don't understand the need for that. So the vent's in here. I've got the two lines set up right for this. This I'm going to plug off. In fact, I should do that now. See if I can show you guys what I got going on here. That's what I'm working with. Fuel supply right there, return, vent, and for the fuel pump. All right. All right, so let me show you what's going on here. Pretty close. I had to pull it back some, and you can see it looks to be like it's in the right groove here. Rivet neck looks good. I don't think I can go over much more. I mean, I guess it'll clear it, but geez, that is close. Seems like I want to reverse this bolt. Kind of close on both sides, but it's decent. That'll work. A little more room on this side. Don't understand why, but there is. Because I'm right in the groove right there. I really don't want to move it out of that groove. Geez, that's close. That will have to do. say this, it's a whole lot quieter by a long shot. All right, let's crank it up, see how it behaves. Make sure we stay at 60 pounds over there, and then we will take it for a drive. Great day, get out in the garage and do something. All right.